Hi and welcome back to Hytale. We want to proceed building, and we've figured out last time how to build the battlements, even though maybe we have to get one more level onto our tower. So maybe we have to delete the battlements for now. Let's do this. Now all the stairs are falling down. Oh, height limit in this game. Something I don't know either. Okay, that's all we need, the slabs. Place them down. No, not again. This is so dumb. That's the worst thing so far that I've encountered. That's good looking. Nice. So we have to make them narrower. This is good, this is good, this is now also good, and we need to fill in this gap here. And then windows. Let's see, 1 in height. Why? Why did it place it the wrong way? Now shall we do it like 1? Let's try, we check this out if it's looking good or not. Check it outside. And then we can start move. That's not looking good. I think it has to be 2. This looks more like a prison. Okay, we need chests. Do I have? No. Maybe we have to produce some. And I hurt myself. Let's craft these. How many do we can get? 3. That's bad. Give me a stack. Metal. Oh, come on. Are they good in at least? But these are looking bad. Let's get some good ones. Oh. So 8. 8 it is. Then how do I demolish that? That's gone. Give me this one as well. Need all the workstations. Oh, I don't have any place anymore. Shit. No, where can I store this for now? All this weird stuff can go. Let's collect that and then we go over. Oh, it's getting nighttime also. This one is way better to defend. I don't think they can jump even over here. So we have the armorer's bench and the blacksmith bench. I think these two belong together. How do I place this? Give me the chests. So if I'm placing... For example... I'm placing this here. and then make like chests in between. Then pen stand, chests, and then maybe this one. That's not perfectly symmetrical, but if I'm breaking these down, I don't think this is working. This is working way faster. So I'm building this, that, something like this. This could work, or we can turn this around even. So if I'm placing this like wrong button, so that's better. Even though we're walking over some fire pit from now and then. Okay, this is nice. So let's get the other chests then as well, for like storing all the resources. For now, I don't think there's like a perfect. I think you can optimize this way crazier than we do right now. Can we sleep in 11 minutes? Don't think for now. How much inventory space do we have? We should have placed these as well. And the furnaces. I think that's way more important, to be honest. Now we can sleep in 0 minutes. Okay, so let's place these down. And I wanted to bring some extra chests. Do I have some? No. But I think I produced some in advance. There's another of the metal chests. Nope. Maybe in here. There's even a golden one. I think we can use this upstairs. Nope. Also, no. Shit. Walk through here. First place these, the working stations down, and then almost jumped against the door. So where will we place these? Could place them like that. So we have. That's also not really symmetrical. Would love to have this like really organized. So we have, that's the middle one. The worst thing is that it's not really perfectly aligned. If we place it like that, we can fit through. Not that easily, but we can, and even here. But then we don't have the space for that. Nah. That's a good question. Should we place them like in here? So we have two next to each other. So we can. Let's leave it like that for now. We place this here. How many benches and workstations do we have then? We need space for chests in between. The lever stand and this. Oh, we have this one. That's almost symmetrical. We could place this here. A bit like that. This could work. Some of the stations are not. We have the main station still left. This will be placed upstairs. We could place it here then. Let's cut the upstairs one down so we get like a better layout going. There are two. There could be one. Where do we place our normal workstation? We can place something here, but no. Why it does take so long now? No, that's so bad. I don't know. Where do we place our main station? In the center? I don't like the idea of that. Place this here. Maybe just like that. This could go. Yeah, something like that. Okay, we have that. What else do we have? Upstairs. Shall we put like... let's get our stuff away. What do we store where? That's the question. This is farming equipment, could be stored in here. Let's put all the building materials for now while we're building in here. This building material. Let's place this one upstairs so we can store all our gear for now. Like this stuff. We might need these. And the windows can go in here. And then we should have space to carry some things over. No item. That's better. Do I have the farming equipment? No, let's get... why is it getting white? Why is it like missing color? So now we have to store these chests. Run. But I don't think they despawn that fast. Give me, where are the chests? I didn't collect them. Fuck. Ah, there are they. Build one here. And build one here. Let's put all the wood in here for now. Building materials like that in here. This can go, this can go, this can go here. This can go in here. All of these can go. Tools should go in here. And we'll put the random stuff in here for now. Let's head back and get a rest. Hopefully we can carry all that. Now at least we can fit through here. Okay, we have still more room. This is also a temple chest. We have lots of different chests, to be honest. Okay, we can't carry more than that. Let's get back. Is this shown on the map? It is. What we are building is like visible on the map. That's cool. So we have this dirt in here. Just gonna go in here. Let's go with that table. These, that, ash log. Also these can go in here. That can go in here. Besides, that doesn't look so great. Okay, now we don't have that much more space. Put this in here. And then we can get more chests. Storage is quite a big problem, I would say. We can cut that down. Give me that. We'll be able to carry all that. Not all. But if we're fast, we can place these chests down. And then we should be able to store that stuff. Jump over. The workbench will be here. So let's see, we can put... Let's put sticks in here as well. Farming material can go right in here. That's this. Green egg. USAP, Mustang. Yeah, that's all pretty random stuff. Do we have building materials? Nope. Nope. We have some more cobblestone, which goes in here. Let's put this stuff here. And then we get more chests and the rest of the equipment. So we have to carry like back and forth everything. So get through here. This is pretty organized. Okay, we have all of this. Let's move back. Bum 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 bum. From here over there. This was even closer than I thought. We need the chests. Place them here. So let's put this, that. Maybe also the tree sap can go in here. Tree branches. Perfect. This is almost full. No, this is full. More stone. Wood stuff. I don't know what about this random stuff, but we can put a ladder here in mushroom. And I'm stuck. Maybe stone rubble is something for this chest. Okay, we have that. Let's head back. And then upstairs should be lots of tools. Bam, hit that. Let's go up. Plenty. Cut these down. I think we can carry that. Yes, we can. But we are almost full. Give me chests. Can we make signs so we can organize stuff? I don't know, and I haven't seen something like that. this here. We could can I access this? Yeah, I can. So we could put the raw materials in here. This can be like our tool chest. Bam, 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 bam. Fruit steamer. The rest resources. Get this in there. That can go. Rockstone, get in here. Put this. Let's get out these stone things. Put this in there. Put this in here. Then food goes here. This is random chest thing. Random chest thing. This was no. This was here. Okay, let's proceed. I don't think we have to do too many tours now, and we need to clear off. And I'm going to die there just because of this. Okay, we have to get a workbench and a bed. Yeah. Get all that. I think we can carry all of this. Nice. Get this table, and then we can go back. And now we have everything transported over to our new base. Jump over. So we have to place the workbench, and I think I will have it here. So we could have here more chests, which I'm going to place right away. And then we can put metal stuff in here. Small engine chest. Could place this upstairs for now. So we have all the different chests. This is random shit. Let's place the cooking pot somewhere. This is all fully placed. Place it here. No, I don't like that. But we could place it. I usually would say something next to the food stuff. So we have to get rid of that. That and that. Place this here. This here. That here. And the bed goes upstairs. Place this here. Confirm. Get rid of these blocks. We have to expand. Okay, that's done. So let's store. Maybe we put this chest. This goes first now here. This goes in here, in here, and here. We have these go in here. We have food, flowers, food, wild berries, mushrooms. This. We saw that. Mushroom. There are plenty of mushrooms. I think the salt can go in there as well. So let's see what we have in these random things. Give me all that. So we have a ladder can get out of here. What else can I get out of here? Tall crest can get, moss can get out of here. This fiber stuff can go, the charcoal can go. And let's put charcoal. So we have this, that. fiber, leather, basalt charcoal, basalt charcoal rubble, purple. Is this in here? No. Let's do like only food. Blossom, sunflower, yellow, red. Okay, so we do have this can go in here. And scraps, brown corn, mushrooms. So this can go, this, that. Flower, no, feathers. Tall grass, moss. Dark feathers, crystal, boom powder, lavender, hibiscus, shards, days, whatever this is. Line scraps. Salt can go in here. I think this is food. But it should go in here. Sorted. This is also to heal ourselves. What else do we have in here? There's nothing in there now. But this goes in here. This can go in here. Building stuff goes in here, as well as these side tools. Where did we put the tools? In here. This can go in here. So where's the... This is something we need, and we need these seeds to proceed. I think that's all, yeah. So let's place this stuff down. Place the carrots. They have all in a row. Okay, that's also planted. There's nothing in there. But that's done. So now we officially moved in here. So, great. We have this all completed. So, almost a full episode. So give me firewood. Stack each to fill in the furnaces. That's done. Do we have any raw material? We have the box up here. That's full of random stuff. So let's see. This can go in here, in here, in here, in here. So we have all these bars in here. So leather will go in here. This is something raw we can melt right away. Turn on. This is food. No, this goes in here, in here, in here. This goes in here. This goes in here. Mushroom comes in here. These mushroom wool scraps, I would say, goes in here. Bush. Okay, that's full. So we need more chests. Is this still upgraded? No, it degraded if you move it. Oh, tier 2 crime. Yeah, it's low up. Craft 10 of them. Okay. Place them down. So we have more space for this stuff. Which no, wood goes. Marble. Where's it? Marble. Birchwood can go in here. Also another stack. Sticks, sticks, sticks. Can I get... No, I can't get rid of these. I can get rid of that. Let's see. What do we get out of that? Oh, 2! We can melt. That's actually not bad. Turn on. So... Give me the broken ones. Can we melt them? We don't need duplets, so we can get rid of that. These I don't use either. Could use that. And we can get rid of that. Let's see, will this work? Can I? Oh, I can. Do I get something out of that? Even though that's broken? Actually, it works crazy. That's good. So we can recycle them. Let's get also these stuff broken down. Takes forever, but this is actually quite useful because we don't have that much metal. This can go. This can't be, but this can go. It's copper and salt. As well as these, and also that one. What happens if I put this in? Do I get wheat out of that? Okay, this can't. So let's give that. We have to get this in here and get this into metal. Let's keep that. And where was the paper stuff? In here. Building materials over here. Put these all in here, and we had bucket. Turn it on. The sticks can't be 8. Okay, that's done. So everything is sorted, so I would say thanks for watching, and until the next time, have a great time. Bye.